Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti. Today I am going to explain about how to implement of single linked list. This is the code for insert from the first. First I consider a new node. Now I am going to insert this node from in the front, and inside the node I gave some data and a node pointing to the data. If head equal to null, the node will becomes equal to head, and because I have given only data inside, so next equal to null. If head not equal to null, then now head will be pointing to the node of next will be pointing to the head, and head will becomes equal to node. This is the code for insert at the end. Now I'm going to insert a new node at the end of the list. First I consider temp. Temp is another variable name of new list. Inside temp I have given some data, and first I gave data inside the temp. So temp of next equal to null. If head equal to null, the temp will becomes equal to head. Otherwise, if head not equal to null, then again I consider head equal to last, and I have given here while loop. Last of next not equal to null, then last will becomes equal to last of next, and temp will be equal to last of next. This is the code for insert at the nth node. Means if I want to insert a second node, third node, insert the second position, so we can insert. I have declared two another variable for list, first temp and temp1. So first I consider new list equal to temp. Inside the temp I have given some data, and first the temp of next equal to null. If head equal to null, then the list will be show it is empty, because there is only data inside the temp. And next first as I consider temp of next equal to null, and then head equal, the temp becomes equal to head, and it will return some value. And after that it will ask into the node number, means which position you want to insert. If I want to insert the node at the second position, so I have to give some variable, some integer. So again I consider head equal to temp, and this is the loop for means how many nodes will be exist inside the list. And if temp of next equal to null, then it will show node does not exist, because uh, there is no any node, so we can't insert any node inside the list. Otherwise, if temp of next not equal to null, then temp equal to temp of next pointing to the temp1, and then the temp of next will be stored of temp of next, and temp will becomes equal to temp1 of next. This is the this is the code for delete from the front. First I consider new list as a variable name temp, and now I'm going to delete data from the temp. If head equal to null, it will show list is empty. Otherwise a head will becomes to temp, and temp of next pointing to the head, and it will delete the temp. And this is the code for delete last. Now I'm going to delete some node from the last of the list. So I consider here I consider head with another variable name, first, previous, and last. If head equal to null, it will show a list is empty. Otherwise first I consider if last of next equal to null, then then they delete the data from the last, and then head equal to last, because there is no data next. So so it will delete the last. Otherwise, if last of next not equal to null, then previous equal to last, the last will becomes previous, and last of next pointing to the last. If last of next not equal to null, then it will come out from this loop, and then the data will be deleted from the node. And then previous of next equal to null, it will show the previous of next equal to null, and it will delete the last. This is the coding for delete the node from the nth position. If head equal to null, then first it will show list is empty. Otherwise, if head equal to not null, then this function will work. First, first I enter the node number and list. Here I consider head with two another variable name temp and previous. If n equal to 1 means first position, then there is nothing, so it will delete the temp, means head it will delete the temp and it will return some some instruction. And now I'm going this is the loop for show how many nodes inside the list. Um, and if temp equal to node, then means head equal to null. If temp equal to null, then it will show node does not exist, and then it will return. If temp not equal to null, then this condition will be satisfied. Means now temp will be becomes equal to previous, and temp of next pointing to the temp, and previous of next becomes to temp of next, and the data will be deleted from the temp of next, and it will delete the delete temp. And void display, it will display how many elements inside the list, how many elements deleted from the list. If head equal to null, then list is empty. If head not equal to null, then that means data is inside the temp, and next is also there. Some means next means for uh, next is the address of next data. While temp not equal to null, then it will show null. If temp equal to null, it will come from the loop, and this is the main function of this program. Here all the function will be done. First I consider, according to this program, I consider some variable name head equal to null char ch and int op, and here do. Now I'm going to use do while loop. And do while loop, first I gave insert at the front, insert at the end, insert at the nth position, delete from the first, delete from the last, and sixth delete from the nth position, and seventh display if some element inside the list, otherwise exist from the list. And see in option there is the case. First what you want to do, insert from the front, end, nth position, like that. And then if there is no any if there is no case inside this program, then it will show invalid entry. And again this is the code for if I want to continue again and again, and then at last it will return the sum value 0. Now I'm going to run this program. First, enter the choice. Do you want to perform following operations? First I want to insert the data from the first option. Enter the data to be inserted. I'm going to insert 45. And then do you want to continue? Yes. Again I want to insert the data at the end. In second option, enter the data to be inserted. I'm going to send 34. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now I want to insert the data at the nth position. In third option, the data. Now I'm going to insert 90. Then I want enter the node number. I want to insert this number at the second position, so I have given second. Then again I want to continue by yes. Then I want to display, means how many elements inside the list. Then it will display 45, 90 and 34. And then again I want to continue, yes. I want to delete some data from the last, so fifth option. Then it will the data will be deleted is 34, because this is the uh, first position. So here we will consider this is the last position. Now again I want to display after that deleting, yes. This is the last. If I delete some notes from the last. Thank you.